Welcome to channel, where we uncover fascinating mysteries of science, history, and the universe. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful yet unexplained events in modern history, the Tunguska Event of 1908. Imagine waking up to a blinding fireball streaking across the sky, followed by an explosion so powerful it flattens 80 million trees across 2,150 square kilometers. The force of the blast, equivalent to 1,000 Hiroshima bombs. Yet strangely, no crater was ever found. What caused this catastrophic event? Was it a meteor, a comet, or something even more mysterious? Stay with us as we explore the eyewitness accounts, scientific investigations, mind-blowing theories, and the modern implications of this extraordinary event. On the morning of June 30th, 1908, a massive fireball streaked across the sky over the remote Tunguska region of Siberia. Witnesses from hundreds of kilometers away reported a sudden flash of intense light, followed by a powerful shock wave that knocked people off their feet. The explosion released an estimated 10 to 30 megatons of energy, enough to be detected as far away as England. Yet, despite the immense destruction, no impact crater was found. One of the biggest mysteries surrounding Tunguska. One of the closest eyewitnesses, Semyon Semenov, described the moment. The sky split in two, and a huge fire appeared high above the forest. It felt like my shirt was on fire. Then, a loud bang threw me several meters away. Windows shattered, and the ground trembled. When scientists finally reached the site 19 years later, they were shocked by what they found. Over 2,150 square kilometers, 830 square miles, of flattened trees lay in a radial pattern, but no impact crater was visible. Trees at the epicenter were stripped of branches yet still standing, suggesting an explosion above the ground. The soil was burnt, and traces of metallic dust hinted at an extraterrestrial origin. The devastation confirmed that something massive had exploded midair, but what exactly was it? In 1927, Russian scientist Leonid Kulik led an expedition to Tunguska, expecting to find meteorite fragments. Instead, he discovered a vast flattened forest with no large space rock remains, leaving scientists puzzled. Further studies in the 1950s and 60s found tiny spherical particles of nickel and iron, suggesting an extraterrestrial object, as well as soil rich in carbon and silicon, similar to comet materials. Some studies even found unusual radiation levels, though they were inconclusive. The lack of a crater led scientists to propose a powerful airburst explosion, where a cosmic object explodes mid-air due to intense atmospheric pressure. A 50-60 meter wide asteroid or comet entered Earth's atmosphere at speeds of 27 km 60,000 km. As it descended, intense pressure and heat caused it to explode 5 to 10 km above the ground, releasing energy equivalent to 10 to 30 megatons of TNT. NASA and modern researchers support this theory, as it matches the patterns seen in the 2013 Chelyabinsk meteor explosion, which was much smaller but exhibited similar effects. Some scientists argue that it was a comet made of ice and gas rather than an asteroid. A comet would disintegrate completely, leaving no fragments, explaining why no large pieces were found. This could also explain the glowing skies observed across Europe days before the explosion, while the asteroid, comet airburst theory is the most accepted. Alternative explanations have emerged. The antimatter explosion theory suggests that an antimatter particle collided with Earth, creating a massive energy release, but no evidence supports this. The mini black hole theory, proposed in the 1970s, speculates that a tiny black hole passed through Earth, but this lacks supporting data and would have created an exit explosion. A fringe alien intervention theory claims that an alien spacecraft crashed or deliberately destroyed an incoming asteroid, but there is no credible evidence supporting this idea. In 2013, a 20-meter wide meteor exploded over Chelyabinsk, Russia, causing over 1,500 injuries and shattering windows across 6 cities. The explosion was 30 times weaker than Tunguska, yet it caused widespread damage. The Chelyabinsk event proved that airburst explosions are real and dangerous. Unlike Tunguska, meteor fragments were recovered, proving that stony asteroids can cause airbursts. This event reinforced the idea that Tunguska was an asteroid airburst, not a comet or something more mysterious. The Tunguska explosion serves as a warning about the dangers of asteroid impacts. If the explosion had occurred over a major city like Moscow, New York, or London, millions would have died instantly. To prevent future disasters, space agencies like NASA, ESA, and Roscosmos have launched programs to track near-Earth objects, NEOs, before they can hit us. They are also developing asteroid deflection techniques, like the DART mission, which tested pushing an asteroid off course, and studying past impact events like Tunguska to improve prediction models. The Tunguska event was a wake-up call, and now, over a century later, we're finally taking asteroid threats seriously. The Tunguska event remains one of Earth's greatest unsolved mysteries, but thanks to modern science, we now have a much clearer understanding of what likely happened. A small asteroid or comet exploded in the atmosphere, releasing 10 to 30 megatons of energy. The blast flattened 80 million trees, but left no crater, consistent with an airburst explosion. Modern events like the 2013 Chelyabinsk meteor confirm that similar airburst explosions are still possible today. With ongoing asteroid detection programs, we are better prepared than ever to prevent another Tunguska-like disaster. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Tunguska mystery, don't forget to like this video to support our channel, subscribe for more mind-blowing science content, comment below. What do you think caused the Tunguska explosion? Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.